Dan had an adventure company, flying planes, and I was a photographer.
From Top Gun fighter pilot to solitary confinement in an Australian jail.
This is a country. He was offered a job to go and teach Chinese civilian pilots. Dan flies planes. It's a job.
Serious. The 55-year-old former Marine pilot is accused of trading top-secret military tactics with China when he taught at a flying school in South Africa more than a decade ago. So you would say these pilots are cashing in on their own country?
It's a betrayal.
And must be punished. So not a single other pilot has been charged?
No.
Only Dan?
Only Dan.
Why?
That's the legal agreement to make.
America says Daniel Duggan gave military secrets to China.
The military is privy to secrets and they cannot trade those.
Loving father, loving husband. I miss my children terribly.
And the very real possibility of being sent to America.
Hai, terima kasih klik video
For the
clips
past
ini.
19
Video
months,
clips ini
Duggan has been sitting in
mereview
Australian
sebuah program
prisons,
spesial dari
fighting
stasiun
attempts
televisi
to send him
Australia,
back to
yaitu program
US.
60. Klips ini mengisahkan tentang mantan seorang pilot Top Gun Amerika yang dipenjara gegara dituduh memberikan rahasia militer Angkatan Udara Amerika
Who
kepada
is
pilot
the
Cina.
real Daniel Edmund Duggan?
This is Dan Duggan. I'm a former U.S. Northern Carrier jump jet pilot and weapons and tactics instructor.
When it comes to combat, Daniel Duggan
Pilot
can
marinir
battle with the
bernama
best.
Daniel Edmund Duggan, dia
And
seorang
she's
mantan pilot
furious
terbaik
her
Amerika yang
husband
biasa
has to be
disebut Top
locked
Gun.
up in maximum security while he waits to find out if he'll be extradited to the United States.
Hal
the
ini menjadi
country
perdebatan di
this
kalangan
aviator
Australia
once
karena
served
dirasakan ada
is now
ketidakadilan dari
fighting
pihak
here.
Australia.
He'll face up to 65 more years locked up.
My husband is being used as a pawn in this geopolitical mess that's
Karena hanya
happening
Daniel Duggan
right
sajalah
now.
yang dituduh melanggar kode etik ketentaraan di Amerika. Mereka menilai ada sedikit berbau politis atas penahan Daniel Duggan ini.
It's disgraceful.
To his wife, Safrine Duggan, and their 6 kids, Daniel is a hero. He's accused of doing what no US military personnel should ever do.
The military
Bagi
is
keluarganya,
privy
dia
to
seorang
secrets
pahlawan.
and they
Dia seorang
cannot
suami dari
trade
6
those
anak.
secrets away.
I was blown away. He was my
Daniel
top
Duggan
gun.
ini berpindah domisili dari
He
Amerika ke
taught
Australia
Chinese
setelah ia
military
pensiun dari
pilots
Dinas Militer
secret
Marinir.
combat techniques.
Daniel dikontrak
I
dengan bayaran
trained fellow fighter
$180.000
pilots
waktu
in air
itu.
combat tactics and flew from aircraft carriers around
Daniel
the
bayar
globe.
pajak penghasilan kepada pemerintah Australia sebagaimana mestinya, dan mengherankan dituduh melakukan pencucian uang oleh pemerintah Australia kemudian ditahan, menurut pengakuan istri Daniel. Dan lebih menambah kecurigaan Amrik di tahun
Is make the
2014
Chinese
Daniel
military
bersama keluarganya
more
pindah
capable,
tempat tinggal
more
ke Tiongkok
adept
dengan
at
alasan
being able
dikontrak
to
untuk
fight.
menata manajemen
1990
aktivitas bandara
and
seluruh
flew
Cina,
Harrier
karena saat itu
jets.
Tiongkok menjadi kaya lalu lintas bandara tambah padat dan perlu ditata. Setelah 6 tahun kemudian Daniel ingin pulang ke Australia bersama keluarganya, namun sepertinya pemerintah Cina mempersulit kepulangannya dengan alasan paspor, tetapi keluarganya boleh pulang terlebih dahulu. Akhirnya di tahun 2022 Daniel diizinkan pulang oleh pemerintah Cina. Dia segera balik ke Australia.
Yes. He's taken
Bagi
away
pemerintah Amrik,
immediately.
Daniel seorang
He's
pengkhianat karena tuduhan melatih pilot-pilot sipil Cina di
Daniel
negara Afrika
says he
Selatan.
only ever taught civilian pilots from China. But America says, as a former Marine fighter pilot, Duggan needed government approval in the form of a state-approved license to
Ya
do that
notabene
kind of
pihak
work.
Amrik mengklaim
Duggan
bahwa
also
pilot sipil
took
Cina itu
temporary
sedang menyamar sebagai pilot
contracts to
sipil yang
train
katanya
pilots at a
sebenarnya adalah
flying
pilot-pilot
school
militer
in
Cina.
South Africa.
Knowingly violated any law, any restriction.
There is no distinction between civilian and military application and use.
And what was Dan doing there?
Daniel
was
Duggan
an
ditahan oleh
aviation
aparat
consultant.
Australia sudah selama
The
19
aviation
bulan
industry
atas
was
tekanan
starting to
Amrik.
boom.
Dia dipenjara
This
di
is
sebuah
one
tempat
big
tersendiri
mistake.
dari ruang-ruang
He didn't
penjara
need
Australia dengan
approval
pengamanan
to
super ketat.
teach.
Safrine's right. Her husband is not accused of any Australian crime.
But your loyalty
dan akan diekstradisi ke Amrik di waktu mendatang.
Country has faced
Pihak
similar
keluarganya
controversies.
sekarang sedang
The
berjuang
number of
menuntut
former
keadilan.
RAF pilots earning big money to help the Chinese. That's simple. It's not clear why, but the Chinese government confiscated his passport.
Teach civilian pilots, Chinese
Jika dia
civilian
diekstradisi ke Amrik,
pilots.
Daniel Dugan akan
And
menghadapi
that's
sejumlah tuntutan yang akan
Dan
mengakibatkan ia dipenjara selama
He was
65 tahun.
surrounded by Australian Federal Police.
Tax on your own income, and then it gets called money laundering. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's a tiny amount of money in the scheme of putting my husband through 18 months.
Padahal umur Daniel sekarang sekitaran 60 tahun lebih.
Rightly or wrongly, they see him as a threat to their homeland security.
And what are you told?
Dia
That your
Daniel
husband's
tidak
been
boleh
arrested
menganggap
by the
remeh
US
rahasia-rahasia
government.
militer dan
Decision
memberikan
about
rahasia
whether
itu
he
kepada
will be
negara lain tanpa
extradited
mendapat
to the
izin dari
United
pemerintah
States.
Amrik.
So not a single other pilot has been charged.
Mayor Marinir Daniel
Only
Dugan
Dan.
ini dipekerjakan di sebuah sekolah penerbangan sipil di Afrika Selatan tahun 2012. Dia dituduh memberikan rahasia teknik pertempuran udara kepada pihak Cina dan cara-cara lepas landas dari kapal induk yang akan menambah kemampuan militer Cina.
Why is the US so out to get him?
Selamat menyimak sampai selesai video ini dan jangan lupa klik subscribe.
China went from being the trading partner, so it reeks of politics and it reeks of messaging to China.
Or who was being taught? He says what the civilian pilots were all learning could easily be sourced from textbooks or by searching the internet. Daniel Duggan denies doing anything wrong and that the school in South Africa was training civilian pilots.
Daniel
Identifying a
bergabung
civilian
masuk
pilot
militer
to a
Amrik di
military
tahun
pilot. Is that something that would be clear?
1990 sebagai pilot marinir yang menerbangkan pesawat tempur Harrier, sudah kenyang dengan pertempuran nyata di kawasan Timur Tengah waktu ini. Dia terpilih sebagai pilot terbaik senior dan selalu berbagi pengalaman dengan sesama senior sekaligus melatih yang masih junior. Di tahun 2002 dia pensiun dan pindah ke warganegaraan ke Australia.
So far remained quiet on the Duggan case.
He's taken away immediately. He's gone. His children will never see him again. He will not get a fair trial.
Daniel mendirikan sebuah klub penerbangan menerima kontrak melatih pilot-pilot di sekolah penerbangan Afrika Selatan. Dan di tahun 2009 sampai 2012 dia dikontrak oleh sebuah sekolah penerbangan Afrika Selatan untuk melatih pilot-pilot sipil Cina katanya.
He's been in maximum security.
Bismillah, Amrik menuduh bahwa pilot-pilot Tiongkok itu sebetulnya adalah pilot militer Tiongkok. Dengan membaca teks buku panduan pesawat, Anda tak dapat menerbangkan sebuah pesawat, tetap dibutuhkan seorang pelatih duduk di samping Anda memberikan instruksi manual. Dan inilah kecurigaan pemerintah Amrik. Rupanya perkembangan militer Tiongkok sangat mengkhawatirkan pihak adik kuasa, apalagi di kawasan Asia Pasifik. Terima kasih telah menonton sampai selesai video clips ini. Jangan lupa subscribe. Ketemu di episode lainnya.